Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinita. Today we are going to learn about set. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Each object in the set is called an element. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct object. Well-defined means it must be absolutely clear that which object belongs to the set and which does not. And distinct means that the object of a set must be all different. Means no elements should be repeated inside the set. So a set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Each object in the set is called an element. A set is represented by a capital letter. N of S this one we can read as N of S denotes the number of elements in the set S. Then for example, X equal to S equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means number of elements of this set will be 5. Means how many elements are there? Just count that. So the number of elements will be N of S will be 5. Then the set are represented in curly brackets. Using the curly brackets, we can represent the set. Then, how to represent a set? Representation of a set. In representation of a set, the following three methods are commonly used. The first method is statement form method, or describing the set in words. For example, the set of odd numbers less than 7 means write the set in words, means a set of odd numbers less than 7. The second method is roster form or tabular form. That means listing. The same set what we had written in the statement form that I am writing in the listing form or roster form. That means A equal to set of odd numbers less than 7. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So the set of odd numbers less than 7 means A equal to the set 1, 3, 5. 7 is not included because the set is containing the odd numbers less than 7. That means 7 not included. Then the third type of representation of a set is set builder form. A equal to the set X is X such that X is an odd number less than 7. This is the way of writing this is set builder form. This X and this 2 dot and X is must in set builder form. This we can read as A is the set of elements X such that X is an odd number less than 7. So X, this 2 dot and X we can read as A is the set of elements X such that X means these 2 dots can represent can read as such that means X such that X is an odd number less than 7. These are the three types of representation of the set. The first is statement form method, second is roster form or tabular form, the third one is set builder form. Now we can do some problems using these. So question number 1, A is a set of even positive integers less than 10. List all the elements of A in set notation. So we can write A equal to the set we will represent using the curly brackets, set of even positive integers less than 10. So the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Here the question is less than 10, that means 10 not included. So the answer for question number 1 is A equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8. Then question number 2. Given that B equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. 30. Find the value of N of B. Means we have to find out what is the number of elements in this set B. So set B we can write as set 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This one is in the table 3. So multiplication table 3. So we can write 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 tens are 30. Then count how many elements are there. So there will be 10 elements. So n of B equal to 10. Then describe set Q equal to the set A, B, C, D, E in words. So we have to write this one in statement form. So we can write Q is set of first 5 letters in English alphabet. So we can write the given set in words or in statement form like this. Then question number 4. Describe P equal to the set Tuesday, Thursday in set builder form. So set builder form must contain X such that X is the day of the week beginning with the letter T. This is the way we can describe the given set in set builder form. So thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.